In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable 2FA on Google Workspace. First and foremost, strengthening the security of your Google Workspace is not just an option, it's a necessity. With the increasing number of cyber threats, enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, offers that extra layer of protection your account desperately needs. So, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to secure your account with 2FA. Begin by navigating to your Google Workspace. For many of you, Google Workspace serves as the hub for managing your organization's email, documents, and Google services, making security here crucial. Once you're on the Google Workspace homepage, the next step is to choose the Google account you wish to secure with 2FA. This step is straightforward, just ensure you're selecting the account you have administrative privileges for, as you'll be accessing the admin console. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your password. Remember, these details are what keep your account secure, so never share your password with anyone. Click on Next after entering your password. This action will take you further into your Google Workspace account, where you can manage various settings. Now, look at the top right corner of your Google Workspace dashboard and click the square dots icon. This icon is your gateway to various Google services and settings. Here comes a crucial step. Accessing the admin console. You can find the link to the admin console in the description, or you can navigate there directly from Google Workspace by looking for the admin option. This console is where the magic happens. It's your control room for managing everything within Google Workspace. Inside the admin console, you'll want to click on Security. This section is dedicated to protecting your account. Think of it as your fortress's gatekeeper. Next, find and click on Authentication. This is where Google permits you to add layers of security to ensure that it's really you trying to access your account. Then look for two-step verification and click on it. This is the feature we've been aiming to set up. It's a powerful tool that adds a significant layer of security to your account by requiring a second form of verification. Now to the critical part, turning on the two-step verification. By clicking to turn this feature on, you're essentially telling Google to require an extra verification step whenever you or someone else tries to access your account. Finally, after toggling on the two-step verification, ensure to click on Save. This action will lock in your settings, making sure that your choice to secure your account with an additional authentication step is implemented. By following these steps, you've now added an essential layer of security to your Google Workspace account. It's a simple yet effective measure that significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your account. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, being proactive is key. Enabling 2FA is a fundamental step in safeguarding not just your personal data, but also the integrity of your organization's digital assets. I'm excited you've taken this step today. Your commitment to security is commendable, and I'm here to guide you through any further enhancements you wish to implement. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maintaining a secure and efficient digital workspace.